भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम संतों का तो संग कमा रह दुनिया में रखना चाह मालिक से निह नाता जोड़ सौंप जाग अंजलि अखियाँ खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम दिन के पीछे आती रात रात के पीछे आए प्रभात एक एक पर है काल सवार कृष्णा करती सब प्यार उठ जाग अंजलि अखियाँ खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम भजो रे भाई गोविंदम।
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none, from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed and clean. My best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me, yet scorneth none, and fruits of labor all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife, my best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
अंधियारे में प्राणपति, महर में तुम मुस्कुराते हो।
नभ के सूरज चांद तारों में तुम ही तुम चमकते हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। सुंदर प्यारे प्रभु हमारे, समुद्र से मोती लाते हो।
भक्तों के प्यारे सुंदरता में न्यारे, अद्भुत तेज की ज्योति हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। युग युग तेरी ज्योत जागे, हर युग में तेरी लीला पार हो।
कल युग में बाजे नाम नगारा, ये गिरधारी तुम अति सुंदर हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
अनंत लोक के नाथ तुम हो, कर जोर प्रणाम करता हूँ।
नूरी दर की दासी, दर्शन की प्यासी, तेरा गंगा जल रोज पीता रहूं। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। जय जगदीश हरे, 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 जय जगदीश हरे। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
Nuri Granth, page 554, 554. गोपी सभागी। दिया बारे वेठियूं, अचे थो अचे थो। नेण नेण नीह में जंहिं लाइ पचे थो। शाम जे अचण लाइ वेठे निहारियाऊं, रातियूं जागी जागी वेही पुकारियाऊं। पोइ ॾीहरा विसाए वञी पियूं सुम्ही, अॼु राति शाम दर थो खुरकाए। न का वेठी जागी न का वेठी ॻाए। परे झूपड़ीअ में ॾीओ ॿरे पियो, जोगियाणीअ जे दिलि में सॼण हिकु जुड़े पियो। दरवाज़ो खुरकाए अंदरि हू अचे थो, मुरलीअ जो आवाज़ महबत मचे थो। अची उन जे चरणनि सभागी किरे थी, कीअं कन्हैया कान तुंहिंजी दिलरी ठरे थी। सभागी सा गोपी सिर खुले भाव मुंहिंजो, हिकु हिकु श्वास नूरी थिए शाल तुंहिंजो।
The blessed Gopi. They lighted their lamps and sat waiting for his coming, the coming of him for whom each eye is full with the fervor of love. They were on the lookout for the coming of Shama, and remaining awake at night, they made their pleas to him. They remained awake for him and remembered him in the depth of their soul. But then they put out the lamps and went to sleep. Tonight comes Shama and knocks at the door, but none is awake and none is singing. But in a far distant hut, still a light is a lamp, and in the heart of the ascetic Gopi there is full of remembrance of the beloved. He knocks at the door and enters the hut, and the melody of his flute resounds with love. The blessed Gopi prostrates herself at his feet, and joy pervades the heart of Kanhaiya Khan. Blessed indeed is that Gopi, and may my fortune also smile, and may each of my breaths be an offering unto you, O Shama, says Nuri.
राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद, हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद, गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद, 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 कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद, कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद, कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद, कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद,
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे 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 गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद 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 कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे गोपाल राधा गोविंद गोविंद
हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे 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 गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद 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 कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद
हे
गोविंद
गोपाल राधा कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे 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 गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण 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 गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे गोपाल राधा 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 कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
हे गोपाल राधा 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 कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद
जय गोविंद जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय श्री राधे श्याम।
राधे गोविंद गोपाला, जय राधे श्याम गोपाला। राधे गोविंद गोपाला, जय राधे श्याम गोपाला।
जय गोविंदा जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा गोपाला ओम नमो नमः जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः 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 नमो नमः जय गोविंदा जय 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 गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा 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 जय गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला नमो नमः जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा गोपाला जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला जय जय हो 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 गोपाला जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा नमो नमः जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंदा जय गोविंदा जय गोपाला जय जय हो गोपाला 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 जय गोविंदा गोपाला नमो नमः नमो नमः जय गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो राधा रमण हरि गोविंद बोलो राधा रमण हरि गोविंद बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो राधा रमण हरि गोविंद बोलो राधा रमण हरि गोविंद बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे, Radha Shyam, 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 Jai Govinda Gopala, Namo Namo, Namo Namo, Jai Govinda Gopala, Namo Namo, Jai Govinda Gopala, Namo Namo, Namo Namo, Jai Govinda Gopala, Namo Namo, Namo Namo, Jai Govinda Gopala, Namo Namo, Namo Namo, Namo Namo, Namo Namo, Namo Namo.
Meditation for concentration. Meditation begins with concentration, and this meditation calms the restless and agitated mind and helps in increasing the power to concentrate on work, studies, and holistic development of your personality. Step number 1. Let us relax. Relax every muscle, every limb, every nerve in the body. Make it tension-free. Relax your shoulders. Drop all the weight you are carrying with you, all your burdens, all your problems. Now, let the mind be free from the worries of the past, free from fears of the future. Live in the present moment. Be conscious of the now and here. Now let us sit in a comfortable posture so that we will not need to change it for the next few minutes. Now take in 3 deep breaths. As you breathe deeply, be relaxed. Breathe in slowly, deeply, evenly. Now breathe out slowly, completely, evenly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Step number 2. Let us relax. One of the main obstacles on the path of meditation is physical tension. There are many who believe that meditation is only a means, that the end is relaxation. Actually, it is the other way round. Relaxation is the means. Meditation is the goal. Try to relax every muscle, every nerve, every limb of the body. Make the body tension-free. Relax the mind as well. Let it be free of fear, anxiety, frustration, worry, depression, disappointment. Even as a towel is wrung to drain it of every drop of water, so let the mind, pictured in the form of a towel, be drained of all tension, drop by drop. When you begin such exercises, you will find that your attention often wanders. The Cistercian monk Thomas Keating describes this wandering as wool gathering and says it is caused by the imagination's propensity for perpetual motion. For some time you may not even be conscious of the wandering, but as soon as you do become aware, gently bring back your attention to your breath as it enters and leaves the nostrils. You will be amazed at how many and how trivial these wanderings can be. The mind keeps jumping from one place to another, from one object to another. Hopes, fears and memories pass through the mind in a seemingly endless procession. We do not have to fight the mind. In fact, we cannot fight the mind. The mind can be a very powerful adversary. We have to humor the mind. We have to bring the mind back gently and lovingly to our breathing. As we breathe, let us actually feel the air coming in and flowing out of our nostrils. Keep all attention on the tip of the nostrils. The attention has wandered from the tip of the nostrils. Gently, very gently, bring it back to the breathing. Be alert. Be relaxed and let the face wear a soft smile. Do not interfere with the breathing. Merely watch it. Watch the breath as it comes in and flows out at the tip of the nostrils. This is an exercise in awareness. We do not have to control the breath. We have only to watch it. Be relaxed and let the face wear a soft smile and be alert. We move on to step number 3. Let us now undertake a simple breathing exercise suggested by a Buddhist master, which may help us to grow in concentration. The first step. Close your eyes. Become aware of the breathing process, the going in and coming out of your breath. The second step. As you breathe in, say to yourself, I am aware that the breath is going in. As you breathe out, say to yourself, I am aware that the breath is coming out. Repeat this 5 times, saying in and out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. This is step number 3. As you inhale, say to yourself, I am aware that the breath is becoming deep. As you exhale, say to yourself, I am aware that my breath is becoming slow. Repeat deep as you inhale, slow as you exhale. Deep, slow, deep, slow, deep, slow, deep, slow, deep, slow. Step number 4. At the next step, say to yourself as you inhale, I am aware of the present moment as I breathe in. When you exhale, say to yourself, I know that this moment is perfect. Do this 5 times, repeating present as you breathe in, perfect as you breathe out. Present, perfect, present, perfect, present, perfect, present, perfect, present, perfect. Step number 5. Repeat the word calm as you inhale. Repeat the word relax as you exhale 5 times. Calm, relax, calm, relax, calm, relax, calm, relax, calm, relax, Breathing is with you 24 hours a day. You are never without it. It is your best friend. Use it to harness the power of concentration. In, out, in, out. You have now meditated for 15 minutes. The period of silence is over. Rub the palms of your hands together. Softly place them on your eyelids and gently, very gently open your eyes. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.